by number 20.
Abaw! Pero nasipa!
Nasipa. Blue ball. The ball will stay in the blue. 14 shot back. 14 shot back. Number 4 na rin. Pasto po. Tayo sa 3. Malakas. Ano ba? Right ball. Number 1.
Number 1. Number 1. Nakabawan. Number 14. Enzo. Nice pass. 26 ball. Malalim.
Number 1.
Lion violation.
Tapang-tapang. Play ball blue. Ang score natin, ganito na 16-8 in favor of white. Stolen. Play ball. Play ball. Yung bola sa ilalim. Pass break kay number 1. Number 1 nagdadala tasa. What a nice play. Grabe naman ang selfish play for number 1.
Number
20. Enzo. 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 Pasto, Pasto. 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 Pasto number 6. Number 6. 4. Okay. Number 14. Number 14. Gusto mga player natin. Grabe. 14. Number 14. Number 14. Volkay. Kings now. Castro. Castro. 14 seconds shot back. Castro goes inside. Kings now to go 10 seconds to shoot. Number 3 seconds. Violation. Ayaw na yung bola. Nahihiya pa sila kanina. Kaya nahihiya pa rin. Starting the lead round. blue team. Number 14, Enzo. Enzo. After number 26. 26. Back to game. Anticipated the right. Same ball. 13 to shoot. 13 seconds shot clock. Number 4, Leon working back. Number 4. Pass na lang, pass na ko. 10 seconds to shoot. Castro goes inside, behind the back ring. Ano? Gone to Joey Lonzo. Last touch, blue. White ball. Number 1, Joey Lonzo. White team, this time it's brought to you by NGB Tigers. Back to the ball game. Ball and a white. Defense blue. Five minutes and 37 seconds starting. Sean, insert your jersey, players. Tuck in jersey, tuck in. 7 to number 19, Rivera. Result goes inside, short. Put back, yes sir. 20, 10 in favor of White Team. Enzo gets a peek. Leon pass a three. Malakas. Pass to number 7. Loses the handle.
Nakatingin ka agad dun eh. Tingin mo na sa bola.
Number 14. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Kicks it out. Makoy finds the bridge. Short. Rebound by number 7. Number 10. Dinugulo. Pass to Sensoro. Number 20, recover by number 7. He's shot it! Traveling violation. Traveling one. Substitution. Looking for teammate. Pass to number 4. Number 4 fires a three. In and out. Rebound by the white team. Pass to the wrong man. McCoy in the middle. Fires one-handed. Ano ba yan? May harang. Ang ano? Ang ring ng blue. Saan? Sige po, pakitawag. Ball will stay in the blue team. Defense right. Anin. Anin yung blue. Okay, labas mo na si number blue. About 7. Blue ball. Enzo. Well taken. Ixiral. Nabitawan. Number 12. Pass between to number 7. Easy move. Pinaliwala. Elevated.
Ano? Mismatch! Ano?
Number 14. Number 29, Aro. Number 24, no. Rebound. Loose ball score, number 24. Simin. Number 24 again. There's a foul. Foul on someone. So good for number 24, Sergey. First strike, number 24, short. Second try, Ayos Lurea. Number 24, to back down the lead. Wala pa rin. Rebound, White. Pass the play, number 7, stolen by number 14. Number 14, short. Rebound by the white team. Aguilera. Aguilera. Lays the pass to. Blue team. Again, this time on this brought to you by NGB Tigers. Roasters Qatar. I got you covered. Online shopping, Najee Sportswear, and Grand Sport. Back to the
Parang bago pa yung uniform niya. Enzo.
2 minutes and 20
Parang bago
seconds
pa.
remaining.
Yung uniform niya parang bago.
Ayan po.
Ha? Hindi
Players,
ginagamit.
galingan nyo. Meron
Hindi
tayong
ginagamit eh.
MVP
Ano?
sa ating team. And
Bago-bago pa eh. Puti-puti pa yung ganito. Kala ko nga bagong order
I
eh.
got you covered. Shopping na. Okay, simple tayo, right? Ganda naman.
Ay, hindi malabo. Grabe din. You know. Nice. Ay, sayang. Sayang.
Shoot. 14, Daisy, yes, number 2. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining. We're back.
Loose ball scramble. Recovered by number 7. 7, ginugulo ni number 6. There's a foul on number 6. On jersey number 6. Same ball possession. 14 seconds. Shot clock. 26-12. Konti na lang. Sabra. Bigla may kumami sa akin. Tawa number 14, 26. 57 seconds remaining. Number 10. Number 20, 10 seconds to shoot. 20 back.
5 seconds to shoot.
Nice! Hey!
What a nice move.
By number 20. 35 seconds remaining.
Castro to number 24. There's a call and a foul on jersey number 20. 2 free throws. Substitution. Dushani. Sub on number 20. 2 free throws. Number 24. Not bending. First try. 28 seconds remaining. 28 seconds remaining for our second quarter. Our score is 28-12. Number 24, second try. Wala. Rebound. Good post bravo. Now Dushani. Dushani. 2-1. Ganda na pasa. Ang ganda ng depensa. Number 26. 15 seconds remaining. Castro. Stolen by Alcantara. Number 10, Villanueva. 10 seconds to play. Fires a 3. No. Rebound by Jevin. Up. 4 seconds remaining. Out of bounds by number 29. Same ball, white ball. 4 seconds. Coach. 4 seconds remaining. 4 seconds. 4 seconds remaining. For our second quarter.